Okay guys, just mount your camera using portrait mode. After that, to work in, all you need to do is just to stand straight for some few seconds of some few minutes. All right, then after you're standing now, the next thing to do is to just walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut, new project. All right, photos now, then import your background you want to use for this video. You are clicking it to drag it to the length of your video, then you come back. After dragging it, you are going to be coming back. Okay, you are going to be marking on this arrow to click on overlay. All right, add overlay. Now click on video, then import your video to workspace. All right, then you click on volume and reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Locate where you want this video to end. All right, before you walk out, you are going to be clicking it here to make a split and delete this last part. Okay, so you click it and locate remove BG. Click on remove BG. All right, click on auto removal, then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. Okay, but guys, if you have any magic tricks or effects you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. We are going to look on it. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, smash on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, at this point, I welcome you back to this tutorial. As you can see, it has removed completely. You mark on this good and go back. Now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to come to the end and click on add overlay. You import this your bees. Okay, click on volume and reduce it to 0. You mark on this good and go back. Click it and look for remove BG. Okay, click on remove BG here. You click on chroma key, you drag it, mark on this good and go back. You click it again and look for adjust. Locate adjust guys, click on adjust here, then you go and look for HSL. Okay, look at it there, click it and mark on that green. You reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on this good here, then you go back. Okay, so at this point we are going to be doing our adjustments. Look at it, the effect is faster than the character. Then you come back, you are going to be clicking on the second layer, which is the character layer. Then you reduce it a little bit. Look at it there now. Click on this character, the effect, the green screen effect, and do your necessary adjustments. After that, you click on the character and do your necessary adjustment. My own is make sure you can see he has not aligned, he has not played to his head. That is why you need to take time and do your necessary adjustments. All right, after here now, let's play it and see. Let's play it and see. Let's play it and see. I think at this point I'm almost getting it, but it's remaining small. Just take your time to do your necessary adjustments. All right, after doing your adjustments, okay, you can see what I am doing. Then what we are going to be coming to do after we do all the necessary adjustment is to click here and go and look for mask. Locate mask. Okay, look for mask, click on mask. Now you click on horizontal. Okay, as you click on horizontal, you drag it down. The next thing is to add keyframe to that character layer there. Add keyframe to it. Okay, so as you add keyframe, you'll be adjusting it. Then as you are adjusting the video, you are dragging the line to the point of the effect. Okay, so as you are dragging it, you are dragging the line. As you are adjusting your video, keep dragging the line. Don't allow it to pass the effect. Always put it, make sure it's the same level with the effect. This is what you will keep doing, all right, until you get to the head point. Just follow what I am doing. Follow it gradually so that your own will look very okay and perfect. Don't rush. This is where the effect lies, or the magic lies. That is why you have to calm down and do this place gradually so that it will look good. Okay, you can see what I am doing. You will do it till you don't see yourself anymore. till you crop even all your head, everything is gone out. Now finish it up. Then at this point we are going to be playing it. Let us see what we have got so far. Just play it. Let's see what we have got, guys. Just calm down. Let's see what we have got. Let's see what we have got. This is good. This is nice. This is fantastic. You can try this at the comfort of your home. So click here and make a split and delete this last part. We played this video properly from the beginning. At this point, remember to add your sound effect and your light effect, every other effect. After that, you export your video. You don't know how to do it, DM me. I am going to put tutorials. My numbers are in the description of this video. You click on export now, then you allow the video to export to your gallery. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, but guys, like, comment and share this video so YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right, if you have any magic tricks or effects you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are just coming across our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and smash your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.